There's a viral trend taking over social media where people are uploading their pictures to ChatGPT and turning them into AI action figure. In this video, I will show you the best prompts to generate the action figures images, and we will also turn those action images figures into AI animated videos. So stay with me and don't miss any step. To generate action figure images, all you have to do is to go to chatgpt.com. On your mobile phone, you could download ChatGPT app as well. Go ahead and paste your prompt here. Click the plus icon and add photos and file. And you could go ahead and upload your image to chatgpt.com. In your prompt, make sure you have made necessary changes like I have done, adding the name of the image. Let's go ahead and send this prompt to ChatGPT. Please note that I will paste all of the prompt in the video description here. Perfect. ChatGPT has generated an action figure for me with the name Lori. Now let's go ahead and paste another prompt here, and also let me upload an image which I want ChatGPT to convert this photo to an action image perfectly. Please don't worry about writing a prompt. I will add these prompt in the video description. You could go ahead and change anything in the prompt you want. Send this prompt to ChatGPT and boom, here I got the action image from ChatGPT. Now, after generating an action images, the next important part of this video is converting these action figure images into a video. So let's first download these images. Please go ahead and open klingai.com on your computer. Now on Kling AI, just go ahead and click on video section. As I am using Kling AI to get unlimited credit totally for free, you could also go ahead and get that credit by watching the video showing on the right top of the screen. Let's go ahead and select the action figure image that I want to convert it to video. And we are ready to give the prompt to Kling AI. Click on generate. Kling AI generated the video. Let's go ahead and see the results. That's perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and download this video. Sometimes the Kling AI take much time to generate the images and video, so we have another option that is PixVerse. PixVerse generate videos and images more faster. On PixVerse, please click on this plus icon and upload your action figure image. Here, please give the prompt the action figure is on the table, hand appear, remove the transparent plastic and then pick up the figure and rotate on its axis. Let's go ahead and click on create. You can create video in any style you like. Just update the prompt that matches your vision. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and try our second action figure image. Again, please upload your image. And here, let's give another prompt. We are ready to create. Let's see the results. Perfect. Let's go ahead and download it. So that's it about today's quick video on how to generate action figure images using ChatGPT, and then finally how to generate videos from action figure images using Kling AI and PixVerse totally for free. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. See you in the next one.